Welcome to this tutorial, where I will guide you through the simple process of enabling dark mode in the NBA app on your phone. Dark mode is a popular feature that reduces eye strain and saves battery life on devices with OLED screens. If you enjoy watching NBA games and following your favorite teams on the app, first, open the NBA app on your phone. Next, tap on the profile icon located at the top right. Then, scroll down until you see the option labeled App Settings and tap on it. Then, within the App Settings, find and select the Screen Appearance option. This setting controls how the app's interface looks on your device, including light and dark mode choices. Finally, from the Screen Appearance menu, choose Dark Mode by selecting the Dark option. This will immediately change the app's color scheme to a darker theme that is easier on the eyes during nighttime or in dim lighting. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out more tutorials to get the most out of your apps.